YouTube. Welcome back, guys. So my niece want me to sell some of this on my eBay store. So let's go ahead and check this out real quick. Got this Kawaii slime company. Well, this one is almost like a brand new pack. I think she only opened one of it. To this one, they have like a special scent to it. So when you open it up and smell it, oh, this one's kind of. She said you need to put like a borax to activate them or something. So this one's kind of slimy right now, or liquidy. Oh, and then has a scent to it. And on the one on the right hand side of the box is more almost like a use. Well, it is used, so she played with this. So I don't even know how to play with this slimy thing. So just to show you guys real quick. And then they come with this heart shape. I believe she said this is like a 8 ounce, and then this is like a 6 ounce. And then you can mix these colorful foams in there. So you gotta mix with the slime softener in case it gets hard. Yeah, so once it gets hard like this, you might want to mix with the softener. This thing right here to make it slimy again. So yeah, this one is too liquidy. Then you gotta mix the borax. And these are some of the small one that she mixed in there. So yeah, this one is super hard already. So this is the borax, and then an instruction. And then they come with this slime activator. I don't know, somehow this one is empty now, so maybe you gotta mix it yourself. So right here, this one's a brand new one, so it got some kind of character that's under there. Got the shell, not sure what's this one. It's upside down right now. So this box, we got the 3 of the 8 ounce. Yeah, so I heard this thing is pretty expensive, $13 to $15 for one of this container. Depends on the size. Oh, so here is the slime guide, how to play. So I never played this before, so in case you guys know how to play with the slime, please drop the comments on below. How to make it softer and then activate it. What is the mixture, this and that. Okay. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in a comment on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.